Name these birthplace of stars. Nebulae, biggest planet in the solar system. Jupiter, the galaxy which is our neighbor. Andromeda, brightest planet in the solar system. Venus, planet with largest number of satellites. Jupiter, planets without a single satellite. Venus and Mercury, planet with a rotation different from other planets. Venus, a celestial body that carries a tail along. Comet, fill in the blanks. The group of galaxies of which our Milky Way is a part is called dash. Local group. Comets are made of dash, frozen matter and dust particles. The planet dash appears as if it is rolling along its orbit. Uranus. Dash is a stormy planet. Jupiter. The pole star is the best example of a dash type of star. Variable. Say if the statements given below are right or wrong. Rewrite the statements after correcting them. Venus is the planet closest to the Sun. Wrong. Mercury is the planet closest to the Sun. Mercury is called a stormy planet. Wrong. Jupiter is called a stormy planet. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Right. Answer the following. What is the special characteristic of the planet Mars? Mars is the fourth planet in the solar system. As the soil on Mars contains iron, its color is reddish. Hence, Mars is also called a red planet. The highest and longest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons, is located on Mars. What are the types of galaxies? The different types of galaxies identified according to their shapes are spiral, elliptical, barred spiral, irregular. Which celestial bodies does a galaxy include? The galaxy includes many other celestial bodies such as clusters of stars, nebulae, clouds of gases, clouds of dust, dead stars, newly born stars, etc. Name the different types of stars. The different types of stars are sun-like stars, example stars like Sirius, Alpha Centauri, red giant stars, supernova, binary or twin stars, variable stars, example Polaris in bracket pole star. What are the types of comets and on what basis are they classified? Comets are classified in two main groups. They are long period comets and short period comets. Long period comets. These comets take more than 200 years to complete one revolution around the Sun. Short period comets. These comets take less than 200 years to complete one revolution around the Sun. What is the difference between meteors and meteorites? Meteors are rocky pieces originating from the asteroid belt. Smaller rocky pieces get completely burnt due to friction with air after they enter the Earth's atmosphere. Meteorites are the rocky pieces that do not burn completely and fall to the surface of the Earth. What are the characteristics of the planet Neptune? Neptune is the 8th planet in the solar system. A season on Neptune lasts for about 41 years. On this planet, winds blow with extremely high speed. Match the following. Galaxy, spiral. Comet, Halley. Sun-like star, Sirius. Saturn, 33 satellites. Venus, from east to west. Can you tell which celestial bodies form the solar system? Sun, the 8 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, their satellites, dwarf planets, asteroids, meteors and comets altogether form our solar system. What is the difference between stars and planets? Stars have light of their own, thereby they appear to twinkle. Planets do not have light of their own. They receive the light from the stars such as Sun. Thus, their light looks stable. The stars have their own heat and light. How many planets are there in our solar system? There are 8 planets in our solar system. What is to be found between Mars and Jupiter? A belt of celestial bodies called as asteroids is found between the planets Mars and Jupiter. Use your brain power. Why do we see only one side of the moon? As the moon revolves around the earth, it also rotates around itself. The moon takes 27.3 days to complete one revolution around the earth. It takes the moon the same time to complete one rotation around itself. Therefore, only one side of the moon is visible. Which planet has a day longer than its year? A planet's day is how long it takes to complete one rotation on its own axis. Venus takes 243 Earth days to complete one rotation because of its slow rotation around its axis. A year is the time taken by the planet to complete one revolution around the Sun. Venus completes one revolution around the Sun in 225 days. This makes a day longer than a year on Venus.